This is question number 3 from your written assignment in the Unit 6 High School Math Prep course. So we want to find the volume of this figure. This is a compound figure. It says assume all the angles are right angles, which you have to do for any bad diagram anyway, and measurements are in centimeters. Okay. So we could think about this two ways when we're looking at compound shapes. We want to cut them into shapes we know. We could think about this as being a kind of a cut through here. So we have this shape back here and then this shape over here. So two separate rectangular prisms. Or we could think of it another way. We could think of it as this bigger hypothetical block and the smaller one chopped out of it. Just based on things that have already been submitted, the only option that anybody chose was the first one, so we'll do that. We'll break them like this. I'll call them A and B just so I don't get too confused with numbers. Okay, so we need to find both of them and add them together in this case. This smaller shape A and this smaller shape B, add them together. So for A, we are looking for the volume, and for a rectangular prism, the formula is length times width times height. This measurement here is 19. That's going to be one of them. And we need to figure out the other ones. Here, 29 is going to be the same for all of these vertical lines. So height is definitely going to be 29. And width, from there to there, we know that 22 gets you this far as that green line I drew before. And we still need to go, I guess I'm using a really hard to see color here, 22 gets you this far, and we still need to go this far to finish it up. But we know what that number is. They tell us it's 13. So this number here is 22 plus 13, and 22 plus 13 is 35. So I'm going to write in there 35. And these are all in centimeters. I know it doesn't seem important, but units are the kind of thing that you either make a habit of early or you suffer with forever. So 19 times 35 times 29 is 19,285. And centimeter times centimeter times centimeter is cubic centimeter. So that's one of the shapes. That's shape A. And we need shape B, and then we just need to add them together. So for shape B, we need to look at the dimensions. Shape B is 22 by 29 by 17. All the dimensions are given. Great. So the formula is still the same. Writing out the formula each time is pretty helpful. I know it feels like a waste of time, but it turns out to save time in the end. So in this case, I don't care which dimension I call which, because I'm multiplying them. 17 centimeters by 22 centimeters by, just make sure I can see that, 29 centimeters. 17 times 22 times 29 is another big number, but not quite as big, 10,846. And centimeter times centimeter times centimeter is still cubic centimeter. So if we're looking for the total, that's shape A plus shape B, the smaller ones together, and that's 19,285 plus 10,846, which is 30,131 cubic centimeters. Which is 30, if you filled it with water, it'd be 30,131 milliliters, or 30.131 liters of water would fill this shape. Not that that's important, but You couldn't stop me from saying it. And then we're done. That's the total area. Just find the area of this rectangular prism here and this one in the front. It's already 5 minutes. We'll make another video for the last one.